Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today let us solve a fascinating problem of geometry where two cones are hollowed out from a cylinder as shown in the figure. The ratio of volumes of the cones is 2 is to 1. Diameter and height of the cylinder are 6 cm and 21 cm respectively. Find the height and volume of the cones and also find the volume of the remaining portion of the cylinder after cones are hollowed out. Now let us solve it step by step. Let us dive in it. What has been given here? A cylinder. Look at the figure of diameter 6 cm. So radius of the cylinder is 3 cm. Cylinder's height is 21 centimeter. Look at the figure. Two cones. These are the two cones, cone A and cone B. Of base radius equal to cylinder's base radius means 3 centimeter. Now, what to find out here? According to the question, heights of the cone. Look at the figure. This is the height of the cone A. This is the height of the cone B. And also volumes of the cones, both cone A and B. Volume of the remaining portion of the cylinder. Now let us solve it. Now let us find the heights of the cones, both cones A and B. Let the height of the cone A be h1. Look at the figure, h1. And the height of the cone B be h2. This height. Look at the figure. Here the sum of the height of the cones is what? It is equal to the height of the cylinder. And it is given. What is it? 21 centimeter. So sum of the height of the cones is 21 centimeter. It means that h1 plus h2 is equal to 21 centimeter. Now we are finding the heights of the cone. We are clueless, isn't it? We are given the ratio of the volumes of the cone as 2 is to 1. So now let us keep the volume of cone A as V1. This is the volume of cone A. This is V1. And volume of cone B, V2. This cone as volume is V2. And we are given that the ratio of volumes of cones as 2 is to 1. So, volume of cone is greater than that of cone B and it is 2 times. We can think. So, height of the cone A is also must be bigger. Okay. It implies that V1 upon V2 is equal to 2 by 1. Now let us apply the formula for the volume of cone, which is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Radii of both cones are same, that is 3 centimeter. We need not apply it now. And height of the cone A is h1 and the cone B is h2. So now let us apply the formula. In the numerator we have 1 by 3 pi r square h1. In the denominator 1 by 3 pi r square h2. Here 1 by 3 in the numerator, 1 by 3 in the denominator can get cancelled. Similarly pi and pi, r square and r square get cancelled, which is equal to 2 upon 1. So h1 upon h2 is equal to 2 upon 1. So now we have h1 upon h2 is equal to 2 upon 1. Now cross multiply. It means H1 is equal to 2H2. So now we have 2H2 plus H2 is equal to this whole length. Observe the figure, 21 centimeter. Why we have written like this? We know that H1 plus H2 is equal to 21 centimeter. If you add these two, you'll get 3H2 is equal to 21. Now H2 is equal to 21 by 3, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Now substitute H2 is equal to 7 centimeter in this. So H1 is equal to 2 into 7, that is equal to 14 centimeter. So now we have H1 is equal to 14 centimeter, H2 is equal to 7 centimeter. So now we have the height of the cone A is 14 centimeter and the height of cone B is 7 centimeter. Now let us find the volumes of cones A and B. Formula for the volume of cone is V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now let us find the volume of cone A, where radius of this cone is 3 centimeter, height of the cone is h1, h1 is equal to 14 centimeter. So now let us substitute the values for it. Volume of the cone A is V1. V1 is equal to 1 by 3, pi is 22 by 7 into 3 square into 14. Here since 7 and 14 can get cancelled, we have put the value of pi as 22 by 7. Okay, now let us see which numbers can get cancelled. 3, 1 3 in the 3 square, 7 ones are 7 twos are. So V1 is equal to 22 into 3 into 2, that is equal to 22 into 3 is 66, 66 into 2 is how much? 132 centimeter cube. Since the volume unit of volume should be in cubic units and all the measurements are in centimeter, we have come the unit of volume as centimeter cube. It is easy to find the volume of cone B because they have mentioned us that the volumes of cone A and B are in the ratio 2:1. So divide 132 by 2, that is 66. But let us find the value of it. Now let us find the volume of the cone B by using the same formula. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the cone B. Here radius is 3 centimeter. Height of this cone is h2, that is 7 centimeter. So now let us substitute the formula values in the formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. So V2 is equal to 1 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, radius is 3, height is 7 centimeters. Here since 7 and 7 can get cancelled, you can take pi as 22 by 7. Here 3 and 3 get cancelled, 7 and 7 can get cancelled. So V2 is equal to 22 into 3. So V2 is equal to 66 centimeter cube, which we have already told. The volume of cone B is 66 centimeter cube. Now let us find the volume of the remaining portion of the cylinder. The blue area we have to find. So volume of the remaining portion of the cylinder is equal to volume of the cylinder minus total volume of two cones. Here Formula for the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Here radius is 3 centimeter. We already know it. It is in the question. Height of the cylinder. This is also given 21 centimeter. Look at the figure also. Question also. Then you will understand. Now V is equal to, let us substitute the values. We can take pi as 22 by 7, since 21 and 7 can get cancels. Here 7 ones are 7 threes are. Here 3 into 3 into 3, 27. 27 into 22 is equal to 594 centimeter cube, since it is volume. Now we are calculating the remaining portion of the cylinder. We have already calculated the volume of cylinder, that is 594 centimeter cube. From that we have to subtract the total volume of the cone. Here volume of the cone A is 132 centimeter cube and volume of cone B is 66 centimeter cube. So 132 plus 66 is the total volume of cone. So 594 minus 132 plus 66 is 198, which is equal to 396 centimeter cube. So the volume of the remaining portion of the cylinder is 396 centimeter cube. Now it is the time for final answers. Height of the cone A is 14 centimeter. Height of the cone B is 7 centimeter. Volume of the cone A is 132 centimeter cube. The volume of cone B is 66 centimeter cube. The volume of the remaining portion of the cylinder is 396 centimeter cube. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the problem, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more math videos made simple. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.